Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm really excited about this video because we're doing a hair product review. Today I'm reviewing the dry shampoo from Eva NYC. This is their Freshen Up Invisible Dry Shampoo. It's powered by rice starch and argan oil. This is 5.3 ounces of product and it's in their recyclable packaging. So I've had this product sitting in my collection for a while. I actually think I forgot to include it in my recent video where I ranked every single Eva NYC product that I currently own. And the reason for that is because dry shampoo is not something that I usually consistently will implement into my hair routine. It's something that I will use occasionally, and I'll explain why. So I straighten my hair. And when I straighten my hair, I usually last 5 days before I have to wash it again. Once I'm hitting like that 3rd or 4th day, I'm starting to get greasiness on my roots. And really, usually no amount of dry shampoo can really help change that. Like, it's just almost time to wash my hair usually. I still like to give dry shampoo a try. Usually I use the Batiste one prior to having received this product for free, even though I'm not being financially compensated to film this review. I'm sorry, there's an airplane flying by. I'm filming very early. When I do use dry shampoo, usually what I look for is something that is not going to leave a white cast on my hair because my hair is very dark brown, and I want something that smells good. That's purely because products that smell good just make me feel better as I'm using them, as I'm getting ready for my day. And I feel like this checks out on both of them. Usually I'd prefer a tinted dry shampoo only because, like I said, my hair is just super dark and sometimes no amount of blending gets the white out of my hair, like that white cast that a lot of dry shampoos have. So it would be nice if Eva NYC would one day kind of release different colors, at least like a dark one. And I know Batiste has a couple different versions, but I like how this smells better than Batiste. This smells so good. It has that traditional Eva NYC hair scent. It's like fruity and floral, but super cute and sweet, and it makes me really happy. And I'm always surprised to smell it. I don't know why. At this point I shouldn't be surprised, but I always assume that their scent is only going to be on their shampoos and conditioners. But pretty much everything from the hairline has that amazing smell, even their purple shampoo and their blue shampoo. So usually I will use this on my roots once it's starting to get a little bit greasy. Sometimes I do it the night before I'm actually doing anything with my hair. I feel like that helps sometimes. I know some people use dry shampoo on their first day hair for volume, which I don't really need, and I don't really like volume like that. So generally I stick to using this on the 3rd to 4th day of my heat styling or whatever, and then I just kind of shake it up as much as I can to remove any white cast. I feel like the cast here is not super like long lasting, like it does go away. I'm not left with a whole lot of whiteness on my roots, which is always embarrassing. Well, I'm not embarrassed by it, but like people will point it out, and sometimes I'll do mess ups, or like I'll have like a straight hair, or I'll have like leftover mascara that hit my cheekbone, and sometimes I'm just like too lazy to cover it, especially with a face mask, and people will point that out like thinking they're doing you a favor, but sometimes I'm already aware that something's wrong and I gotta go to work. I'm not thinking about it. It smells great. I think it performs well. Like I said, I'm not an expert on dry shampoo because it's not something I generally use, but recently my husband's been using this and he's new to dry shampoo, and because he has a lot of short hair, it actually really works well for him, and he's been liking it. He has like short, curly, wavy hair, and this has been doing wonders for him. So I'm happy that I've kindly been able to use it more often. I think I'm at the halfway point now because I definitely spray a lot on his hair, just because I'm a heavy-handed person. But overall, I enjoy this hair product. I think it performs well. I think if you use shampoo on a regular basis, this is a great option. And I think that is pretty much it for this review. I'm sorry if it was really loud. There's a lot of cars in and out of this neighborhood at this time, and I live near an airport as well, so that does not help. But if you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, where I do more frequent updates on what's going on in my life and all that good stuff. So stay safe out there, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.